Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the GRE Math Subject Test. We're on the Number Theory and Abstract Algebra chapter. This is question number 19. We're asked to find how many elements in the field Z11 satisfy the equation x to the 12th minus x to the 10th equals 2. So I'll just remind you that z to the Z11 contains the elements 0, 1, 2, ... all the way up to 10. And the arithmetic here is addition and multiplication mod 11. So this equation is actually x to the 12th minus x to the 10th is congruent to 2 mod 11. That's what they're asking us here. Well, we can factor this as x to the 10th times x squared minus 1 equals 2. And if you remember Fermat's little theorem, well, if you don't remember, I'll remind you. Fermat's little theorem says that if you have a to the p minus 1 power, that has to be congruent to 1 mod p. And that's assuming that p does not divide a. If p divides a, then a to any power is just going to be 0 mod p. So this is very helpful because in our case, p is 11. It's a prime. I forgot to say that. P here has to be a prime. And here we have x to the 10th, and 10 is 11 minus 1. So no matter what x is, this is always going to be 1, except for x equals 0, obviously. So what we're interested in is actually this equation, x squared minus 1 equals 2 mod 11, or x squared equals 3 mod 11. So the question is, which of these numbers satisfies this equation, or how many of them satisfy this equation? Well, 0 doesn't. 0 squared is equal to 0, so that's no good. 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 squared is equal to 4. 3 squared is equal to 9. 4 squared is equal to 16, which is actually 5 mod 11. 5 squared is equal to 25, which is 3 mod 11, because 11 times 2 is 22, plus 3 is 25. So that's 1. 6 squared is 36, and 36 is also equal to 3 mod 11, because 11 times 3 is 33, and then you add 3, that gives you 36. 7 squared is 49, which is equal to 5, because it's 44 plus 5. 8 squared is equal to 64, which is the same as 66 minus 2, so it's like negative 2, which is the same as 9. Right, 55 plus 9 is 64. And 9 squared is 81, which is like 77 plus 4. That's going to be 4. And 10 squared is 100, which is the same as 1, because 99 plus 1 makes 100. So there's only 2 numbers that satisfy this equation, so our answer is B, 2.